Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you had a killer day on the stock market. Boy, the market was really green, and it has been so exciting to see green in the market and see the market recover like this. It's really been great. In today's video, I'm going to do a recap of the trading day and also cover the different markets and where I see it going here in the future, which it's looking pretty good. Everything is looking extremely bullish. Then I'm also going to give you a new stock pick to help you to be successful for tomorrow and to give you an edge going into tomorrow, something with great catalyst that really moves upwards. So far, month to date, after today's great day, I'm still down, but down 0.74%, so just barely down for the month. Looking forward to passing in the green tomorrow. Things are getting much better. Year to date, personally, I am at a 154.3% gain. Well on my way to the 300% gain I had at the beginning of the year. I hope all of you are killing it in this market and during this market year so far. Before we get started though, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before and you really like the content of this channel, consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications so you get notified when one of these videos comes out. If you are wanting my opinion on a stock, I'm more than happy to give it. Please understand, I am not a financial advisor. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence and be responsible for your own stock choices. But if you are interested in my opinion, just put the ticker name in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to take a look at it and just give you my opinion. I have some links down below that you will want to check out that are in the description. We have Webull, which is a powerful broker. I use it each and every day. If you're looking for free stocks, go ahead and use that link. You'll get some free stocks for just signing up. Also, BlockFi. I love BlockFi for holding my cryptocurrency. I have a lot of Ethereum that I'm holding long term. I'm very bullish on Ethereum over the long term, and so I like to get interest returned on that. So that's been really good, and I use BlockFi to do that. So if you're looking for some free cryptocurrency, use that link, and if you want to earn interest on that cryptocurrency, it's a great way to do that. We also have our Patreon group, which is a fantastic group of investors. Now, there is a level for you to help you to be successful. We have lots of investors in there. Everyone's trying to help one another. I am present in all the rooms, and if you ever have any questions, I'm more than happy to offer my opinions on any stock, and also with stock call outs that happen all the time, multiple call outs per day on different stocks that have bullish activity. Okay, so another fantastic day on the market. The SPY is really doing terrific. The Russell 2000 is really recovering, and so things are looking really good, and I'm going to talk about that here again soon. So, all right, so let's get to that market recap and take a look. And we have the SPY. So here we have our 5-wave sequence. We have the quickest correction of all time. And it appears that we are in and have just finished out wave 1, but we had this negative cross here, and so we went into a sharp decline, but then the bulls came in and saved the day. So there's two different ways this can go. This could continue downwards and find support down at this level again and then bounce up, come down here, so on and so forth, and could even come all the way down to this gap that is at 411, although that is very unlikely with the momentum that we have going on in the market. That would take a very negative catalyst. In my opinion, we have already bounced. And we have bounced and we have had that wave 2 pullback. It was really fast, just like the correction was fast. And now we are in the beginnings of starting a wave 3. So where do I think we can go? So I think all-time highs are in the future for the SPY, and we could see as high as 460 before we start to hit that price target, and that would be a heavy resistance level, and then we could see another pullback after that. So looking forward to a bullish summer, and it appears that everything is bullish, and so there's no reason to be bearish on the market. With how this bounce happened, the bulls really stepped in there. In fact, we could even see a squeeze, and so it'll be really interesting to see how things going. So I mentioned before, we're talking about the Russell. And the Russell 2000 performed great again today. And so we've had 2 fantastic days in a row. Still a long ways to go before we have a new all-time high. So there is so much further that it could run. Looking forward to good times with this. One thing I'm looking for is that what would really be nice to see would be to see a positive cross of the MACD. Right now the RSI has positive momentum and everything is looking good. And as we look at the VIX, here's the VIX. It's so important to pay attention to volatility within the market. If it is above 20, then it is very bearish for the market. But as you can see, this has come way down here. And it's looking really, really good. And so this is good for the market to move higher. We are below $18 now. And so I'm feeling very, very confident about the market moving forward. Hopefully we get a good move going forward. So I have 2 stocks to report that sold within our Patreon group, and I just kind of wanted to cover them. The first one was Hibbett Incorporated, and this was an insider swing play. We bought this on insider activity, and wouldn't you know, the insider activity happened here in aftermarket on the 16th, and so it did dip, and I was a little bit worried, but these last 2 days it came right back up and finished out very high. Our group was able to sell it for an 8.97% gain. It was a really successful trade. Another one today that was just really, really terrific. And this was a standard and premium room call out. And this is X-Air. And this was a short squeeze. And we were able to sell our calls for a 201.58% gain. At least that's what I was able to get out of the calls on that. And it was just a fantastic play. Really, really good. Looking forward to more plays going forward. All right, let's cover a new stock to help you to be successful tomorrow. And so I think this one's going to be really good. And this is another insider swing play. And this has had some really crazy, and this is Crycut Incorporated. And we've had multiple insider buys all the way through here, and the price is starting to respond. In fact, Colin Moran continues to buy up shares, and it's been 9 business days in a row. So 9 of these business days in a row, and most likely we're going to have more reported. And this will push the price up further. Analysts aren't too bullish on this stock, but I think they might be wrong here. I think that this one's going to continue to move up because of that continuous buying pressure that is coming in on it. So this is a stock that is looking very, very good. And as you can see here on the chart, looking at Finviz, we have this really nice support level that's happening here. We also have this channel up above that is resistance that is ascending. And so this is looking really good with all of the insider activity looking terrific. The other thing that I really like about this stock is if you notice right here, the short float, 31.34%. Oh my gosh. There are some people that are going to get creamed that have short positions on this. I could see this breaking up all the way to here, especially with that insider activity continuing day after day after day. This is going to put a lot of pressure on those short positions to cover, because this is going to get if this continues, this is going to get kind of crazy. So looking forward to a fantastic gain on this. This one should be one you can make money on going forward, even though it's been a few days and we're up in it already, 8% in our group. You can still make money on this, and a lot of money, because of that high short percentage and that insider activity that continues to push the price higher. Anyway, I wish all of you the best on the stock market. Please have a strategy behind every pick that you choose. It will help to make you successful. Let's have a fantastic rest of the week. And please remember to do good with your profits each and every year. Do something good to help your community. Let's have a great day tomorrow, and Raythoven out.